Welcome to Z Grills. I'm Mark Tietzma, National Sales Manager for Z Grills. We've been a grill manufacturer for over 30 years. We started building pellet grills for several name brands in the industry over 15 years ago. Over that time, we've enriched our experience in production of this new evolution of smoking and grilling. Z Grills brand was born in 2016. Quickly became a highly respected brand in the pellet grill industry. Z Grills was selected as the best pellet grill by Forbes, Consumer Reports, NBC News, and Gear Patrol. We can easily serve our customers with 3 warehouse locations, committing to our promise of free, fast delivery. We've also achieved the #1 selling position in this category on Amazon. Z Grills makes the smoking and grilling experience easy. Anyone can make meals like a pro. You just need to fill it, set it, and smoke it. For the 2021 racing season, Z Grills is a proud sponsor of NASCAR Xfinity Series driver Joe Graf Jr. Z Grills is working with over 20 retail partners, including Walmart, Amazon, Menards, Target, and Sam's Club, making our grills available to everyone. Z Grills is the only grill brand that manufactures its own product. Quality is bred into our process and is our #1 priority. We use the latest in grilling technology to bring you safe, easy, and healthier grilling with amazing flavors that you will love. Selling manufacturer direct, you can enjoy a great quality grill without breaking the bank. Smoke, grill, sear, barbecue, braise, bake, char grill, and roast. Get a Z Grills pellet smoker today and cook up incredible wood-fired flavor tomorrow.